Ever wondered what the top 5 multi-role fighter aircraft are? Let's dive into the skies and find out. At number 5, we have the Eurofighter Typhoon. Known for its agility and advanced avionics, this jet is a force to be reckoned with. Number 4, the Dassault Rafale. This French masterpiece excels in air supremacy, ground attack, and even nuclear deterrence. Coming in at 3, the F-15E Strike Eagle. A legend in the air, it dominates both air and ground with unparalleled power. Number 2, the FA-18 Super Hornet. This versatile beast serves the U.S. Navy and Marine Corps, proving its mettle in every mission. And at number 1, the F-35 Lightning II. With stealth, advanced sensors, and multi-role capabilities, it's the future of air combat.